Hey everyone, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to those new subscribers of Miranda Miner. Thank you everyone for being here and welcome to our daily live for crypto news and daily charting. Okay, so let's start with a couple of greetings. Welcome in the screen, welcome in the channel. Parang kompleto yung mga moderators ko today. So, Judex in Maryland, USA. Nice to see you. Magkape ka muna. All right, and then let's go with the other people in the chat room. We have Jen. What is DXBT Miranda? What does that mean? Marian Joy, good morning. Jules, Abreu Vlogs. Okay, Jen, hello po watching from, ano pong flag yan? UAE? Thank you, good morning. Charles, good morning. Wow, kompletong moderators natin ah. Si Charles, thank you. Okay, si Mary Joy from Italy. Wow, wow. Thank you for joining. Anong oras na po ba dyan? Lunchtime na? Okay, and then happy Sunday to everyone. Okay? All right, guys, sorry. Thank you for waiting. I know we're late for 30 minutes today. Thanks for understanding. Si Coach Miranda has, needs to do something na medyo kailangang importante. So, but anyways, we'll go with our daily news update. So, but before we start, congratulations to the team. We already have 8,300 subscribers. Woohoo! Thank you. Congratulations. And then also follow me in Twitter. We already have almost 100 followers. We just made our Twitter handle yesterday. So thank you. Kahapon pinopost natin dito yung mga important updates. For example, the all-time high of Cardano. You know, it's already on a parabolic setup today. RSI 30 reads above 69 already. So parabolic play, etc., etc. So if you're not yet a follower in my Twitter handle, just feel free to go ahead and look for Miranda Miner. And then, of course, congratulations sa ating Facebook groups. We already have almost 3,300 members. Woohoo! And as I promised everyone, if you're new to my channel and we just created a TikTok 2 days ago, we already have almost 40 followers. So feel free. Diyan po natin pinost yung ating live video on phone, cell phone charting, and cell phone trading kahapon where we earned, I think, we were able to do some scalping and we earned around 4%. So if you're not yet a subscriber, please go ahead and look for my TikTok account. We just made that yesterday. So thank you. And then we'll now go to our official news for today. All right, let's start with our crypto coin market cap. Bitcoin performance 1.79% over the past 24 hours, although still down, no, 15.7% negative for the past 7 days. Ethereum, negative 1.3%, medyo down siya, no, although it's still a good performance over the past couple of weeks, no, from an average of $3,000 Ethereum. Now it's actually $3,800. Binance, naka-recover. Binance Coin, 3.61. Of course, two coins are actually fluctuating from rank 4 and number 5. It's Cardano and Dogecoin. No? So Cardano already lifted to 39% 7 days. And then Dogecoin at 7.55%. So congratulations there sa mga nakasakay on Dogecoin and Cardano. And we will discuss later on, we will be charting ano ba yung potential entry points for Cardano kung di ka pa nakakasakay. Kahapon sinabi ko yan sa Discord channel natin. No? I've actually mentioned that potentially it's gonna be a parabolic play. So dapat napasukan mo na ang Cardano on 2.3. No, it's already 2.41. No? Stablecoin Tether, XRP, 3.75 week to date and 17.94 just yesterday until today. And guys, watch out for my new, aside sa video na nilabas ko kahapon about the Doge returns, no? Obviously, sabi ko sa inyo, over the next 4 to 6 weeks, Doge is going to be listed in Coinbase. So really good to know information. Something's really going to be big happening. Kapag na-list yan sa Coinbase, I'm sure that the price will be higher, no? So just something for you guys to prepare. And then, I'm going to be releasing a video at 6 o'clock. This is, I think, something I posted in one of my Facebook groups, no? So we're going to be giving a video. Abangan nyo na 6 o'clock, I will upload that. We're going to be covering about what are the next 4 giants to come, no? So we're going to be discussing, I'm going to be discussing about what are the next 4 sleeping giants that are already awoken, no? Those are ADA, XRP, Polkadot, and Polygon Matic, no? So if you guys have seen my first video on first week of May, gumawa tayo ng May predictions on what are the coins na pwedeng tumaas, no? On over the next couple of months. And true enough, lahat halos ng coins na sinabi natin, including Polygon Matic, have increased significantly, guys. Si Polygon Matic is already 130% month-to-date increase on its price value. So kung nakita mo yung video na yun at sabayan mo, congratulations and well done for that increase of your coin. Okay, let's now go with the other parts of the news. So sa ating Coin Telegraph, one of our news is si Musk, obviously still a headline. Elon Musk backtracks on Bitcoin, Binance under investigation. Is the bull run over? And then sinabi rin natin sa ating Facebook groups yesterday that there are potentially si Elon Musk nag-free advertisement siya, no, sa ating XRP because he wants to have a fuel efficient a fuel efficient coin that he will support. And one of that obviously is XRP. It's a very efficient coin, very little fuel that's being used to mine, based on a lot of research. So it looks like because of that pronouncement, XRP had a very good bull run. No? Umabot siya ng almost 1.5 yesterday for those na mga nakahabol. So congratulations there. Another, of course, our decentralized finance pulse, DeFi pulse, again, another $79.88 billion locked into the decentralized finance. I'd like all of you to focus on this one because, as I always say, DeFi is going to be the next, decentralized finance technology. All of us will be into this, no? And basically, the difference of a DeFi and a centralized finance is if it's a centralized finance or an exchange, it's basically your Binance, your Coinbase, your Bittrex, your Bitfinex, right? But if you talk about decentralized finance, this is going to be just peer to peer. You talk to someone, write your smart contract, and then obviously you do liquid swapping, you do swapping, you do lending, etc., etc. So that's basically decentralized finance. So a lot of value already, almost $80 billion locked into the DeFi, and it looks like it's going to further propel the Ethereum network from a utilization standpoint. Okay, so really, really good there. Let's go for those that are liquidated. Quick one. Let's go to the cryptocurrency futures market data. Okay, let's go there and then let's look for Ethereum. Let's look for how many people got liquidated yesterday. It looks like not much have been liquidated. Everyone is actually earning. Okay, let's click on the liquidations price. Oops. Okay, a lot of them have been liquidated in Huobi, DM. I'm sure you guys have heard from me. Huobi is more of Korean and Japanese market, right? So yesterday we had almost let me check on this, almost 34 million got liquidated in Huobi, but although not much in Binance, no. But if we go on other coins, let's quickly go on the other coins. From a liquidation standpoint, let's click on the other coins real quick. Let's go with Cardano. Let's look at Cardano and how many got liquidated yesterday. Okay, if you are a futures holder, do not be fearful. Actually, sobrang liit, almost 5.56 million lang because there's a lot of rally happening on Cardano yesterday. So really, really good job. I'm sure if you have earned something in Cardano and XRP, something that you guys will probably be proud of. So congratulations. One last check is we go with XRP or Ripple. Let's look on how many got liquidated yesterday. Okay, not much got liquidated. We only have 26.11 million people that got liquidated for people who are buying long on Ripple. So congratulations. And sobrang ganda nung nakahabol dito sa 1.35, pumalo ng almost 1.50. And based on this reading, as per the 1-hour reading, XRP is already sitting at 1.60. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, let's look at that later on. Let's look at the coin market calendar. What is up and coming starting next week? Something for you guys to look forward to. Okay, see, one of the biggest drivers ni ADA is obviously their one of their launches. No, they're gonna be working with their smart contract launch. So let's look into that. Hang on a second. Let's look at the top coin. Let's choose. Let's look at the top coins for now. Hang on a second, guys. Okay. All right. So we have Polkadot decoded on May 19, consensus on May 21. Alonzo testnet for ADA, which is really going to be very big, no? Something that they've been planning for quite some time now. If you guys have seen my ADA video 2 days ago, I discussed a lot about ADA in terms of what's up and coming, no? And as I've told you guys, they're going to be having their own smart contract, which is really, really good, no? And then they will have their ADA Pay release. This is really a big one. They will have their own ADA Pay, and this is actually driving the price of ADA to almost $2. So let's see if it will further, continue the bull run, no? And then we have our a lot of test nets for Ethereum and one for Bitcoin 2021 Miami. And then starting Q2, we have ERC. Guys, tandaan nyo tong ERC and BSC in data and DOT ha. So basically, the function of DOT or Polkadot, they're not necessarily a blockchain, but they're actually a technology kung saan they're actually able to interoperate. The word is interoperability. They're actually able to connect the ERC network and the BSC network. So what's the difference is that they're going to be able to connect the Ethereum network into the Binance Smart Chain network, and that's their role. No, that's the role of Polkadot from a technology standpoint. And of course, they will have their token minting, which is the another highlight for that. So something that's, and this is the reason, guys, why if you will go to the performance of this coin, they're already top 8 in the top 10 cryptocurrencies and tokens at 17.85% increase. So something that's really exciting and really, really exciting for those dot holders. No, so let's go back to our news. All right, and then sometime on Q3 there's going to be a BSC integration, and guys, just go to Coin Market Calendar for you to get updated on what are the official updates and what are the ones that are driving the price to be higher. Obviously, ADA is one of them, and AAV. AAV is another coin and token that I've actually discussed over the past video than the release natin. So something for you guys to look into and just look at my videos, okay? All right, let's go now with the charting. No, let's quickly go and charting our top 5 coins. Let's start with BTC. It's actually having a bull run on a 1 hour chart. BTC at $49,119. And then we quickly go down on a 30-minute level. Baba lang tayo sandali. Okay, on a 30-minute level, okay, it's actually forming a double bottom here, no? May pagka double bottom ito, and we will look into a potential trend. We'll quickly go on the charting horizontal line. There's going to be a major resistance at the 49,342. Okay, this is something that people need to be able to understand na kailangan baliin niya muna to. No? Another next resistance is going to be this double top. This is actually a head and shoulders pattern na ginawa ni BTC, no? So just real quick, we'll do a line here para makita ninyo. So this is the shoulders one, this is the head, this is the other shoulder. Pagkabasag sa baba, tumuloy-tuloy dumiretso pababa, no? In this case, this is a major resistance line, no? 49,342, and we will see if this coin breaks the $49,000 line, it will definitely further go up higher. Okay, and from an indicator standpoint, let's look at RSI 30 of BTC. Okay, RSI 30, we'll go with RSI 14 here. Okay, let's click on RSI 30 if it's already a parabolic play. Actually, no, very, very healthy. Actually, the RSI is only 54 now for BTC. So BTC, so far, really, people are getting scared. Sabi ko kahapon sa ating headlines, the whales are getting hammered by the retailers. So we'll see if they could still carry on with their trend, no? But so far, a bit of a bearish trend here from a BTC standpoint. Although in a short-term standpoint, bullish, no? Almost from 47,000 to almost 49,000. But major support line is going to be 49,200, and after that, it's going to be 50,389. Let's quickly go to coin number 2, Ethereum, no? Actually, ang all-time high nito this last week was around 4,400, no? Actually, almost 4,400 based on the all-time high. It was 4,382. An all-time high performance there. And then, so from this particular trend, we will do a channel, parallel channel charting. Let's do this and this one. Okay. Pagka-break ng channel line na to, no, then we will be doing a MACD here. Okay, Actually, nag-bearish crossover na si MACD. So on a 30-minute reading, no, pababa na siya. So be careful if you're a short-term trader, but if you are a long-term trader, something for you to look on is, one of the major support lines, actually galing to sa baba, no? So medyo matatag na tong support line na to. So around 3,600 matatag na yan up until 3,500, no? Ayan ang kailangan hindi niya basagin. Pag nabasag yan, this could further go down. And it doesn't look like it would break the support line. So it's really interesting. So we'll see. All right. If I'm going to be charting this right now, it looks like it's actually going down, no? So if we look into the channel, parallel channel again, we'll be doing our charting here and then here. Yan. Wag lang siyang bumaba ng almost 3,730. Then this candle could further go down. So something for you guys to look into from a short-term trading standpoint. Okay. Let's go to the coin number 3. Of course, BNB, no? BNB actually was already very strong, no, for the past couple of days, although bumaba siya, no? It has been actually averaging to almost, let's go horizontal line, averaging almost 690 USDT, no? However, it actually significantly went down, but it looks like it's actually already building a bullish pattern, no? So let's try to chart this on a long term, on a resistance standpoint. So yan, nag-break out siya sa line na to. So the one of the resistance is 583. So from there tumuloy-tuloy siya pataas, no? And then there's also a bullish continuation here in MACD line, no? And then RSI is still healthy. A good way to enter so far, but for me, I would say that it needs to actually break the resistance line of 615 up until the 635 level for this to further go up higher. So something for you guys to make sure that you understand. Next one, we will do ADA. Okay, ADA coin, bullish MACD line here, bullish crossover. I actually said yesterday ang ADA is a good opportunity to enter on a parabolic play, no? So nag-parabolic play yan yesterday. Around what time is this? This is around May 15, alauna ng umaga, nag-bull run siya dito, almost parabolic play for 30 minutes. No, but actually in a one-day setting, hindi pa yata to actually parabolic na siya for one day. So good to enter if you're in a parabolic play. If you don't know what a parabolic play is or super parabolic play, go to one of my videos. Tinuro natin dyan paano mag day trading and swing trading if you're using a parabolic play strategy. If you're also doing Halmachi on a scalping standpoint, please go ahead and do that. That's also good to do here. But make sure that you're actually plotting your 3 confirmatory rules. As always, tinuturo ni Coach Miranda Minor yan. Okay, let's go there. And then, RSI 30, it's still at 77. Pwede pa to. Let's go to RSI Weekly. RSI Weekly is already 88. Okay, pag tumaas pa yung RSI Daily ng 80, then that's already sell on site. It's gonna be extremely parabolic and it would go a parabolic burst. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, huwag kayong mag-iiwan ng pera ninyo if you're actually waiting for a short-term trade or a day trade. Huwag kayong mag-iwan ng pera in ADA within the day. Otherwise, just leave your money there. Okay? And then just wait for up until 1 or 2 weeks before you even get your profit. That's how parabolic play is. Otherwise, another way to do it is wait for the RSI 30 to go downwards. Okay? RSI 30 to go downwards. Let's say your RSI 1 day is already at 78. Wait for it to go down at around 72, 73, or even go down to 68 paakyat ulit. Okay? Entering on a swing trade for ADA is already risky at this point. Okay, last coin for today is gonna be Dogecoin, 0.53. Okay, do we think this is gonna be going even higher? Let's go on a 1-hour chart. Okay, healthy RSI 30 at 54, bullish run on MACD, bullish crossover in MACD. It's only at RSI is only at 54. Let's look into the short term. Let's look at the charting here. Let's look at one of the major resistance is going to be this box. Okay, this box is going to be the major resistance. Bakit? Because ang daming nagbabounce and nagko-correction within this particular box. Something for this candle to break. It should break the 0.55 and 0.59 line. If Doge is going to be able to break the 0.59 line, this coin will be able to further go up to the 60.6 level where it used to be. nung mga panahon na nagpo-point 73 siya, no, before nung SNL Live, no. So, long-term goals, read between the lines. If you go to the tweet of Elon Musk, let's go to one of those that I've actually retweeted yesterday. It looks like one of the headlines yesterday na sinabi ko din sa inyo is that, yan. So, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, nag-tweet siya na sabi niya, he's looking for a more fuel efficient coin, and that's why he's actually letting go of Bitcoin, no? And then sabi niya rito, Tesla in Bitcoin is actually, sabi niya sa post niya, Tesla has suspended vehicle purchase using Bitcoin, and one of the reasons why that I believe, no, na nagda-drive nito is because majority of the stockholders of Tesla doesn't like the partnership with Bitcoin, and look at what it did to the performance of Tesla, no? So Tesla, okay, let's go to the stock price of Tesla. Actually, let's go here. Let's look at the Investagram's chart. Let's look at Tesla or Tesla. Okay, let's look at Tesla. Okay, performance-wise, okay, hang on. It's opening a Nasdaq here. Let me just quickly open this one para much better look tayo. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so from a performance perspective, it's actually up 3.16%. But if you look into the interactive chart, one of the major drivers ba't nila binitawan si Bitcoin is because majority of the investors of Tesla is asking him and pressuring him to let go of Bitcoin, right? Majority, because the mission and vision of Tesla is to produce a fuel efficient car, which is a solar car, right? So if you look at the all-time high of Tesla at $864, they were actually down to $589 based on their stock price in the Nasdaq, no? And what does that basically mean is that halos bumaba ng almost ilang X percent ito, no? From a percentage perspective. So almost losing $300 in your stock is really really huge, and that's really crazy from a value perspective. So si Elon, most likely he actually lost um around $20 billion siguro in terms of fortune, because bumaba yung stock price niya ng almost 30 to 40%. No? This is really, really huge, guys. So what I've been researching here so far, pinabitawan sa kanya yan, and as I've mentioned to you, parang naging free advertisement yan kay XRP, because XRP, if you look at the XRP tweet, the CEO of XRP, if you look at the tweet of that person, they have been really clamoring of more fuel efficient, easy to mine coin, which is XRP, no? And it sounds like it became a very good advertisement for the holders of XRP when binatawan nila sa BTC. Okay, all right. So that concludes our top 5 review of our coins today, and then I will actually just quickly promote. If you're new to my channel, please look into our Coach Miranda Miner Learning System platform. Gumawa tayo ng video on this. Kung meron kayong tanong, we already have almost 43 videos created. So far, no, pwede nyo gamitin yon if you are a beginner. Look at my beginner playlist for you to be able to know what are the top 10 mistakes of a Binance trader, how to create an account, how to deposit money, how to set up mobile Binance, actual buy and sell walkthrough. And then if you already know how to trade, look at my intermediate playlist where I talked about in Tagalog, the price action strategy, RSI and MACD tutorial. We have a live charting where actually I was able to show Halmachi, RSI, and channel breakouts. Then if you already are an advanced user, go to my advanced playlist. I spoke about how to do futures trading. Ano yung mga confirmatory rules na meron si coach, no, para maging successful kayo in terms of your trading. This is really important, especially if you're a futures trader, no? A lot of the people are not ready, hindi nila alam paano i-execute, and that's the problem, no? Alam na nila yung technical skill set, pero the execution and decision making is still very poor. Kaya naiiwan, naiipit, naliliquidate, no? So kailangan malaman niyo yung 6 confirmatory rules ni coach. And of course, we have our daily live learning session here, no? I'm actually live every 5 p.m. except today, as I've said. So feel free to have yourself followed up from a learning standpoint. And also, don't forget to join our trading community. We have a Facebook group, Team Miranda Miner Profitable Group, and we have our Discord channel. And we also have, obviously, my Twitter handle and my TikTok for all of your updates that you'd like to know from Coach Miranda Miner. Okay? Okay, so time to read your questions. All right, let's go with your questions one by one. Okay? Okay, Coach, nagma-matter po ba yung kung saan nakapoint yung RSI? Let's say nasa 53. No, it doesn't matter. RSI actually is not a trend following indicator. It's actually a momentum indicator. It only is following the price momentum if it's overbought or oversold. Okay, next question. Coach, pwede po bang sample scalping sa ADA 5-minute interval? Okay, let's do a 5-minute interval. Okay, let's go with Investograms. Okay, let's go with ADA USDT. Let's do a 5-minute. Okay, let's do my templates. Let's go a 1-minute miner. Let's go 5 minutes here. Okay, and let's do a line chart. Okay, ginawa ko lang line yung candles para mas madali ko siyang makita, no? Okay, so yan. So in this case, 5 minutes. Huwag ka munang papasok because si CCI nakailalim, paturo pa ilalim, di ba? And then si Alma hindi pa nagko-cross, si Alma hindi pa nagko-cross kay Alma. Okay, so huwag niyo munang pasukan yan, no? Wait for this black line to go upwards, okay? And then before and it should actually cross the line of the red line like this, okay? And then the red line should go like this, like that, cross. Tapos CCI should actually go up like this. Okay? Understood, guys? Makes sense so far? Following. And actually, that's one of the things I would like to show to you. One of my trades earlier, I think I was sleeping this time. I already saw the selling power of XRP, no? And I was able to chart ito yung pinaka support line ko. And it's actually a 1.44 and a 1.42 support line. So pumasok tayo sa point 1.53. Mataas na yon actually. And the reason I was very comfortable kahit bumaba pa siya on this particular candle, it's because ang lalim na ng support line niya, no? At 1.53. And then after that, I was able to take profit at I programmed my take profit sa futures ng 15x yan. 15x leverage tayo. I programmed the take profit at 1.58. And pagising natin, we earned $49.6 or 2,500 pesos around 9 in the morning. So, yun lang, ginawa ko yan in my futures. Nag-abang tayo. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, abang-abang ng orders like what I'm doing, no? Pinakita ko kahapon yung open orders ko. Meron akong dalawang abang, one for AAB and one for XRP. Nakaabang tayo for 1.77. Bakit ako nakaabang kay 1.77 kay XRP? If you look into the 4 hours chart, okay, if you look into the 4 hours chart, naka 1.77 yung all-time high niya. Okay? And then anytime that na-break yung all-time high, it would normally go further upwards. Kaya nakaabang tayo ng XRP order. Okay? Nakaabang ako ng XRP order. Take profit in 1.79 and 1.73 ang stop loss, no? Huwag niyong gayahin yan. Okay? Tulad ng kahapon nag-demo tayo, kumita rin tayo kahapon, no? All-time high strategy is always an effective strategy. Okay? Let's go to the next question. Okay, let's go with Coach, hindi namin makita yung baba ng screen. Okay, sorry. Thanks for that information. But itaas natin tong screen. Sorry, good information. Yan. Okay. Okay, I will open up my screen right now. Let me know if you could see it already. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, yan. So that was my entry point. No, I was able to buy at this is my open orders, no? And then from a transaction history standpoint, we were able to earn trade history on $48.65, in this particular trade, or around 2,000 plus pesos. Okay, so yun yung ginamit nating trade platform there. Let's go on with Oru. Okay, meron tayong, okay, let's close this one. Okay, pag scalping, mas okay ba sa manual trade kesa sa stop limit? Pag nagsascalping kayo, use your market, no? If you're doing a scalping, use your market. Okay, don't use the stop limit because you're scalping, you're looking for the right entry para mabilis ma-execute. Okay? And then, Coach, pa-scout ng Matic if bababa pa ba and when maganda pumasok for long term po sana. Long term po si Matic. Wait for my video, lalabas yan mamaya. Long term si Matic. I could tell you right now. And of course, trade at your own risk pa rin, tayo, but it's gonna be a long term and put your stop losses. Okay? Alright. Let's go on with Dave. Pwede po bang Instagram sa mobile phone? Yes, pwede siya. Pwedeng Instagram in mobile phone. Coach, pwede bang more example than day trade? Okay, let's meron po tayong more samples of day trade on my video 2 days ago. Medyo comprehensive po yung day trading natin doon. Hatred. Oh, okay. And then Daniel, ayun, salamat. Okay, coach, ano pong magandang indicator for Binance Mobile pag gusto mong mag-swing trade? Okay, for swing trading, based doon sa ating sample cheat sheet na yan. Pakita natin to. Okay. If you're actually doing swing trading, use the RSI 30, EMA 20, 50, 200, ALMA 20, BB 50.02 in MACD default, no? Ang execution ninyo, alignment of the stars trade, MACD bullish and bearish, breakout place and confluence of 2 and 3, no? So gawa tayo ng mabilis na swing trading because di ko pa nagagawang swing trading from my previous examples. Okay, let's go with the swing trade. Let's go with ADA. And of course, kapag naka-swing trade tayo, anong gagawin nating time frame? It should be 15 minutes to 4 hours. In fact, even 1 day, no? So let's look into time frame of 4 hours for ADA. Let's close the CCI and let's close ALMA and EMA because they are for scalping, no? Okay, punta tayo sa template natin na alignment of the stars with EMA. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin ng AOTS, maglalagay lang kayo ng tatlong EMA, isang batang EMA which is 20 years old, EMA 20, isang 50 years old na 50 EMA and then 100 EMA, no? Sa tatlong EMA yan. Ang rule of the thumb dyan is kapag ang takbo ng stock price mo is above the 3 lines or tatlong stars, that's a bullish coin, no? And it's a good for swing trading, no? Swing because ang tatandaan mo lagi diyan, kailangan nasa itaas siya ng pinakabatang EMA, in this case EMA 20. Okay? And if you're actually doing a swing trading, kumbaga iiwan mo yan dyan ng couple of days or weeks, make sure lalagyan nyo siya ng stop limit na hindi bababa sa pinakabatang EMA, which is in this case the EMA 20, no? So kung mag-execute kayo ng order, for example, you will order ADA at right now. Let's execute that right now. Let's look at USDS future. Let's look at the spot. Okay? And by the way, ay pakita ko rin sa inyo that I was actually able to buy. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag nag-RSI parabolic play si ADA, let's go trade history. Yan, nakabili tayo ng ADA at 2.19 nung with 100 USDT. Nung nag-parabolic play na siya, nakabili na tayo dyan, no? And right now, the price of ADA, as I've said, is already around 1.40. 1.40, sorry, ADA is already at, look at the price, 5 minutes, 2.3, I'm sorry, 2.38, and then for XRP, looking at ADA, we were able to buy at 2.19, okay, 2.19, and it's already at 2.39. So, kumita na tayo dyan, right? From 2 let's look at the 1 hour chart, nakabili tayo sa 2.19 here. We're able to buy there, and then from a price perspective, let's run at the price range from here. I already have earned almost 8.7% in my money, and nabili natin yan ng May 16, which is yesterday. Ngayon, actually, around 12 morning kahanina. No, in the less than 1 day, I already have earned almost 8% of my money, no, in the spot trading market, no. So I'm sorry, hindi ko sinasabi kung kailan ako pumapasok sa inyo because I don't want to influence your decision making, but so far, based on my planning, effective naman ng strategies natin, no. So paano natin napasok yun? Let's go with the swing trades, no. Okay. So going back here. Let's go with the RSI 1 day. Okay. And then 2.19. Okay, 2.19. the RSI was already at 72. Nakita niyo yun, guys? Sabi ko, pag RSI 72, papasok kayo, di ba? So if you're going to do a swing trade, ang strategy lagi is, let's go with the horizontal, vertical line. Okay, pumasok sa 2.19, okay? The RSI, sorry, let's go to RSI. I'm sorry, guys. The RSI is 30. I'm sorry. Ayan. Actually, it's already at, let's look at 4 hours. I tried 4 hours back then. 1 week. It's already parabolic here, no? It's already at 82. Pumasok tayo sa 82 and then let's go with the daily. Papasok pa lang yan. Okay. I was able to enter there already, if I remember my trade correctly. I was able to enter because if I look into this, guys, titingnan nyo din to ha. Look at your, let's look into this one, no? Titingnan nyo din to ha in your decision making, no? Because I already anticipated tataas to eh. Papalo ng above 70 ang RSI nito. Okay? So let's look into coin USDS futures. Let's go perpetual. Titignan nyo din itong part na to. Okay, pag umu-order kayo, tapos ang gagamitin nyo sa swing trading or position trading, titignan nyo itong word na depth. Okay? If the depth, okay, itong depth na to, pag sobrang laki ng green, it's an indication that the buyers, there's a lot of people who are buying. Okay? And if the red depth, if the depth of the red is higher, then nananalo yung mga sellers, no? And during this time, I was actually thinking, papasukan ko ba tong si Ada? Okay, would I enter ADA and it's actually looking like it's going to do a parabolic play already kahapon. And true enough, if you look at the price, tumaas na siya although hindi pa 70 yung line. Rarely ko lang ginagawa yun, no? So it's really gonna be, kailangan mo talaga maghanap ng confirmatory rules, no? Yes, hindi pa naka 70 RSI si daily, okay? Pero sa weekly niya, parabolic na siya. Okay, parabolic na yung yung line niya. It's 83 already. But yung daily, hindi pa. Naka 69 pa lang. So I made the decision to enter already kahapon because when I look at the chart, sobrang heavy ng buying pressure that time. Okay? So I was able to position, and gagawin ko, iwanan ko lang yan dyan. I will just leave it there. Okay? By definition of swing trading, what does that mean, guys? Right? If you do a swing trading, you're going to leave there for days or weeks, no? Okay? So use 4 hours to 1 day. Pinaka-minimum na yung 15 minutes, guys. And use your RSI 30. Use your AOTS trades. Kapag nasa taas ang takbo ng candle above the 3 EMAs, that's good as an indicator for swing trading. And then you also look for MACD bullish and bearish, breakout plays and confluence. Ang ibig sabihin ng confluence, dapat dalawa o tatlong indicator mo nag-agree before you buy, no? So in this case, ang unang indicator ko is is the RSI on 1 day at RSI 30. It's a good indicator for me. And then sabi ko nga, there's a heavy buying pressure. You will notice naman dito sa candle na to. Nakita niyo yan, guys, yung sa bar sa column chart na to. There was a heavy if you will notice here, let me open that, no. Here, you will notice this bar graph, okay? This is an indication that there was a heavy buying volume, no, for me, no? And if you will notice, sobrang taas niya than the regular volume, no? Sobrang taas niya. So that is a sign for me that this particular coin could further go higher because there's a heavy buying volume na nangyari during that time. So I was able to enter at a point 2.19. It's already 2.38. So I already earned almost 8%. Okay? And of course, aside from AOTS, you do your RSI 30 play. Okay? And then you have your, let me open that cheat sheet. Okay, you also have your breakout plays. I did not do a breakout play because wala na siyang babasagin, naka all-time high siya. Okay? Remember, you only do breakout plays kapag meron siyang babasaging matandang resistance. Okay? And then of course, confluence of 2 and 3. Yon, ginamit natin yun, no? Okay. All right. So far, so good. Let's go with the next question. Okay. If you feel like it, check it out. Okay. I think there's some... Okay, there are some spam chats here. Okay. Ito lang hiniintay ko. Swing trade. I hope you learned something, Danielle. Okay, thank you. Let's go with the Pwede bang pumasok sa SRP or wait until it broke? Okay, let's go with XRP. People are asking. XRP. Okay, let's go with a 30 minutes XRP. Let's look at the chart. Let's remove all the EMAs. Okay, we don't need an EMA on a day trade, no? Let's look at RSI 30, that's fine. 1.59 XRP. I don't think it's going down. In fact, it's actually even going higher. Okay, another resistance to break. Immediate resistance is 1.599. Okay, and then sabi ko nga sa inyo nakaabang ako ng order sa 1.77. Yan, abang tayo ng order diyan. Pag nabali niyo 'yun, tataas pa yan ng ano, ng sobra. Okay? All right, so I hope you learned something. Lagi po yata kayo sa XRP, nagpapansin ninyo, no? I do scalping with major, ano eh. You know, ang turo ko sa inyo pag nagsa-scalping kayo, look for coins with volume. Okay? Kahit huwag kayong tumingin sa fundamentals because you don't care of fundamentals in scalping. You only care for volume kasi kailangan nyo ng volume para umangat yung chart. Okay? Para maging effective si Hallmatchy style natin. Okay. All right. Naka-short kay Matic. Is it a good entry? Let's go with Matic. Okay, short. Ano ka ba? Shorting ka ba on scalping? Naka-short ka on scalp? Anong strategy mo dyan? Okay, kung nagsa-scalp ka, okay, if you're scalping, I would add MACD. Okay, moving average, convergence, divergence. Okay? Kung magsa-scalp ka, ang gagawin mong strategy, dapat, in reverse, no, dapat si Emma, okay, dapat si Emma, nag-close pababa kay Alma. Tapos si CCI, preferably, nasa positive 100 pababa. Baliktad naman siya. Okay? MACD kasi hindi pa siya nagko-crossover kasi laggard si MACD, no? Nahuhuli siya. Mas bata kasi yung Alma natin sa taas. Mas bata siya. Kumbaga, ibig sabihin si Alma dito, it's only 20. Tapos mas matanda si Alma dito kasi 20 days siya. And then si MACD dito, it's actually only at 14. No, naka-14 moving average to. Kaya mas nauuna si Alma lagi for scalping kaysa kay MACD, no? So pag baba, pwede ka na pumasok for scalping and look at that, bumaba yung price, okay? So the price is going downwards. Same indicators. I don't think if you're scalping for ADA, but look at Matic pala yung tanong na. Let's go with Matic. No, sorry. Matic USDT. Ayan, ang ganda. Very good. It's good for shorting. Yan, shorting. 1, 2, 3. Tapos look at that price. Bumaba ng sobra. Diba? Went further down, right? So, ayan. So that's a good indicator for you to use. Okay? Okay. Pwede ring 200, pwedeng 100. Okay? Pag mag-EMA kayo, pwedeng 200. Ang alignment of the stars, 100 yung pinaka-minimum. Okay? Or 150, that's fine. As long as it's more than 3 months. Okay? Strategy for swing trade for Binance. Bibigyan ko kayo mamaya. Okay? Okay. Pero in fact, tama, pwede rin naman, you could also do the same. Kasi ang wala lang naman si Alma sa mobile. Pwede mong gamitin yung dalawang EMA sa taas. Okay? Okay, ano po malagay ni Shib ngayon? Tataas pa po ba? Ang sabi ko, meron po akong video kay Shib ha. Ang sabi ko po sa inyo, don't enter Shib until ma-breakout niya si 0.000005. Inang format natin kay Shib. Sabi ko sa inyo yan. So, teka lang. Let's just quickly chart. Okay. Huwag niyo munang pasukin si Shib Inu if it does not hit the all-time high price of gumuhit yan eh. Nagpunta tayo ng 15 minutes. Gumuhit yan pataas eh. 0.5, no? Let's look into that. 0.39. Let's look at the 1 minute. Okay, 0.3905 ang pinaka-highest niya, 0.38. Based on my initial charting, hindi ko makita yung guhit dito. No? Let me do a candle. Let me just do a candle real quick. Hang on, guys. So, candle. This one. Let's go 1 minute. Candle. Don't enter kasi may ipit kayo dyan, no? And by the way, when I made the video, wala pa siya halos candle. Nag-chart tayo in I think in the span of 1 hour. So, 4 na candle pa lang, no? So, then let me just open this information. SHIB information. Wala pa siyang resistance. Okay, 0.36. I'm sorry. Okay, I stand corrected. 0.4. Okay, is the highest, no? So let's look into the 0.4 entry before kayong mag-enter dito, no? Tataas pa ba to? Based on the daily charts, okay? Kailangan niya ma-break itong 0.000165 pataas on a daily chart, no? Before niyo pasukin yan. If you go down to the 30 minutes level, the same yan. Yan, no? Nakita ninyo? Yan. So kailangan niyo baliin to pataas. Okay? Okay. 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 And then let's go with the next, maybe 2 more questions, guys. Okay, pag may, okay, Daniel, okay. Meron bang alert sa Investa? Meron pong alert sa Investa. You could actually set up alerts like this, you know. Kunyari, alerts, okay? And then, for example, I wanted to click on Ethereum. I'll click on Ethereum. Then I will program price alert. Entry price, let's say, is 3834.64. And then your entry price notes kung anong gusto mong sabihin dyan, XXX. Cut loss price, let's say, is 3,400. And then ano yung notes mo, XXX. And then what's your target price? Let's say it's 4,000. And then you click on update. Ayan. It would send you an SMS kapag meron ka na, ayan, price entry alert, Ethereum, mag-alert yan kung na-reach na yung gusto mong price. It's gonna be sending you an SMS. Pero may bayad po yan. Okay? Alright, last 2 questions. Kung nakaabang kayo sa 1.77 na XRP, anong rule ninyo pag set ng TP at SL? Okay. Pinakita ko po yun kanina. At 1.77, TP po tayo sa 1.81 something. Stop loss sa 1.74. Okay, tapos naka 15x leverage tayo sa futures. Okay, last one question. All right, last one question. I love XRP and XLM. All right, na-late kakarating from church. Guys, this is a recorded YouTube video. So anytime you could actually just go to my YouTube page and look into the available YouTube live. No? So before we kind of dismiss today, guys, I'd like to say na meron tayong dalawang lalabas na video. Abangan nyo ito. It's gonna be at 6 o'clock. Why do you need to invest long-term on ADA, XRP, Polygon Matic, and Polkadot? Lalabas yan. Abangan nyo. I explained. It's actually a 20-minute video. Lalabas yan, okay? And then the next video na bukas, na lalabas bukas is going to be about, let me just open it real quick. No? It's gonna be about, okay. It's going to be about liquidity pool or Binance liquidity pool. It's part of our learning series. Okay, abangan niyo yan. It's gonna be Binance liquidity pool. How to set up your liquidity pool where you could earn 9.3% passive income. Okay, you could actually stake your money. You could put it on a liquidity pool. You could earn 9% or 27%, 25%, depende sa risk appetite mo. And I've actually given very, very important reminders na kailangan yung sundin para mapasukan yung our stable currencies or stable pools. No? May mga unstable liquidity pool kasi na pwedeng mawalan kayo ng pera. Okay? Okay. Guys, okay, so thank you everyone. Thanks everyone, and I'd like just to make sure I greet all of my moderators. You know, Charles Judex from Maryland, USA, Maria Joy from Italy, Kuya Rad, Zid, Cass and John, and of course my moderators in Discord, si Miss D, everyone, the same people, si Boss Zed, and then si Jay. Ang dami yun na. So congratulations for all of us. Of course, si Boss Zed ang admin. Thank you for all of you for supporting our channel. We already have almost 8,000, 300 subscribers. And guys, pasensya na kayo if I don't read if I'm not able to read your messages because I have a lot of messages po talaga. Pasensya na po kayo. And I hope you have a very good Sunday. If I don't reply to your message, punta lang po kayo sa Facebook group natin. Mag-iwan kayo doon ng message. I'm sure all of our moderators um, will be able to reply to all of your concerns and questions. No? And then keep on loving Coach Miranda Minor. We are Miranda Miners. Hashtag Go Miranda Miners. And I just wish all of you a very, very good Sunday. Again, if you have follow-up questions, just go to the Discord channel or to the Facebook groups, okay? Guys, I love all of you and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.